In our top story today, a major breakthrough in the murder of Pauline Mullins Pusser, the wife of the famed former sheriff of McNairy County, Buford Pusser. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Emily Goodwin has the details.
It's been said that the dead cannot cry out for justice. It is the duty of the living to do so. In this case, that duty's been carried out 58 years later.
It's a case that's haunted McNairy County for nearly 6 decades. At a news conference in Somerville, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, alongside District Attorney General Mark Davidson and the University of Tennessee at Martin, revealed shocking findings in the 1967 murder of Pauline Pusser. Initially, Sheriff Buford Pusser reported he and his wife were ambushed while responding to a domestic call. Pauline was killed and Pusser was shot in the face. Friday, the TBI says the evidence now tells a different story.
And that Pauline Pusser was more likely than not shot outside the vehicle and then placed inside the vehicle.
Evidence suggests that cranial trauma suffered by Pauline, depicted in crime scene photographs, does not match interior crime scene photographs of the vehicle.
Blood spatter on the hood outside of the vehicle contradicts Buford Pusser's statement.
A medical examiner reveals the gunshot wound to Buford Pusser's cheek was close contact, not long range, and, quote, likely self-inflicted. A ballistics expert reported that physical evidence in the case does not support Buford Pusser's version of events and indicates a staged crime scene. The location of cartridges, bullet trajectories, and bloodstain patterns are inconsistent with Buford Pusser's statements. The DA's office believes that the TBI has created sufficient evidence to create probable cause if Buford were alive today to indict him to the McNairy County grand jury for the murder of Pauline. TBI investigative files are confidential under state law with very limited exceptions. However, the DA's office and the TBI have decided to make the files public. The files will be made available for the public after closure by the TBI, and the files will be kept at the University of Tennessee at Martin.
Their commitment to maintaining and preserving the integrity of those records will ensure that future generations, scholars, historians, and citizens alike will have access to the investigative file.
In Somerville, Emily Goodwin, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.
The autopsy of Pauline also revealed previous injuries and healing prior to death and a nasal fracture on the right side of her nose, most commonly caused by interpersonal trauma.